Hey guys, what's going on? Version here. So today is my time to install iOS 16.1.2 on my iPhone X. And so without further ado, let's get started. Now let's go to setting, general software update. You will get this notice of iOS 16.1.2 just like this. It takes about 181.4 MB only. Let's download and install. Terms and conditions, just agree it. Agree. Now it's update requested by Apple. It takes times. It depends on your Wi-Fi and your device as well. Now about 0 second and coming back to update requested. After that, preparing update. Just like this. Also it takes times. Already been finished loading. Now battery is 84% on my iPhone. Now let's install now. Verifying update. It takes times as well. Apple logo. Then it comes the loading just like this. This is the first update loading, and the second loading update just like this as well. It doesn't take any too much time. Let's fast forward. Almost there. And we're done. It went to the hello screen just like this. Wow, beautiful. Now my battery is 81%. It just takes 3% only. It doesn't take too much for the update. Slide up. Software update complete. Set it up later. Don't use passcode. Updating Apple ID setting. Also it takes times. And after that, welcome to iPhone, just light up. Welcome to the new version. And so, before I end this video, you can give feedback for this iOS 16.1.2 install on my iPhone X in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And my phone is quite hot, normal. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. Good luck.